Hey, what's up YouTube burritos? Welcome to another reaction video. Now today, I forgot my bed and only realized that Vybz Kartel drop a new song. And wait name, the song is called Vybz Kartel Don't Come Back. Don't Come Back. Don't Come Back. October 2017. No Kartel. I don't know if a time this. Because Alkaline thing kinda, it kinda lay low now. And Kartel just say, yeah, a time film do back road the right and proper way. So, see another song here, look like it's probably gonna end up on #1 pan trending. But this is called Vybz Kartel Don't Come Back. So, I hear one little 30 seconds right now, so I want to hear the full thing now. So, follow the reaction video. Wait. Why this sound like some Ghostbusters, Animaniacs, little pitney sort of cartoon, sort of melody? Me never hear Kartel with this set. Well, go on, no more hear this back again. Pull it up.
It's time for Animaniacs. And we say,
pull it up. Ha 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 ha. My money, ha ha. My money more. No, Kartel drop a new laugh. Remember back in the day, a couple about 5 or 6 years ago, Kartel laugh. No, how did the laugh go? I can't do the laugh, alright boy. And look like Kartel say, yo, new laugh for 2017. It's a new laugh this. Let me hear it again. Let me hear it. When I say bleach out and colored like Spider-Man, no, I forgot to do like a lyric review for this too. No, the man used what? No, Kartel, me not like, it sound like your trace right here, so. It sound like you sound like, I bet my mommy give me two cheese patty and cocoa bread, and your mother only give you one. I bet. I like the little flow you have, boy, oh boy, bro. Honestly, me not even read the lyrics them because me only hear 1 and 2 like something Hebrew, but the song I go on. Me don't know we Kartel, hold on. Me just say right about now. Me think of the first me I hear Kartel come up with a sort of flow right there so. Me I call it Animaniacs. Me don't know because the flow is different. It's different when I think me hear Kartel with the flow ya. What did you say I go right about now? Kartel say new flow, not a Lime, not a B-Mobile. Not a cable and wireless, the man said new 2017 flow. Flow. Jesus. Yeah. True that. Bitch ain't one. Thank you. Ooh. Yeah, that is all I'm a dancehall moves them when I know. I don't know nothing more than that. If you're asking for the more, up here all this dance me I do. I can start thunderclap, damn Scooby-Doo and Call Down the Rain, yeah. Yeah, the dance of them, all of the dance of them, they're gonna build one choreography for this by before weekend. Before weekend, all of the dance group, them are gonna have full choreography for the song, yeah, may I tell you. You see how Kartel stay though? Look on the video with the woman beat her pit with machete and Kartel drop song with machete in there. Now tell me say if I know yesterday the man write the song. Tell me if I know yesterday Vybz Kartel wrote this song. No, tell me, no, underestimate Kartel, me I tell you say Kartel, no, we have Kartel. Run machete and then something about machete and know what the viral video we are going. Kartel up to the time. Don't play around. Jesus Beam, the man gone or not. Power Ranger, what is something name? I mix up the cartoon right there, so now. Man say me give her the soft sex or not. Dr. Evil. Oh Jesus, Beam. Man gone British London accent or Australian. I don't know what. Or not. Yeah. Yeah. No, I'm tell you, say every man will left them woman right about now at the song. I'm not gonna like Cartel give the brother them one throw out song for their woman. Because a whole heap of song the woman them have a throw out for them man after break up. Remember Gaza came, hey man. Remember them song there? And a pure throw out show them tired of you and all them something there. Cartel give the Jenna them, Cartel give the youth them out the road right now. One song for throw up on them ex-girlfriend. Round of applause for that. Years in the making now, years in the making now. So brother, when you walk a road and you see your ex-girlfriend turn up at that bus, at the bus stop, you just all show the word upon her. And say, yo, I'm boss one of the bounty killer. Yuck! 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 Bust that upon her. Bomba, remember the dance? Yo people, that is it for Dirty Berry's reaction video of Cartel's Don't Come Back song just released. People let me know what you think about it. Do you think that this song will surpass on the #1 trending list? I know Cartel compete with himself right about now. Cartel is legit a compete with himself right about now. Boy oh boy, I feel like when Cartel they go hospital or they go hospital go vice the song, yeah. I think that go on. Big up yourself, Gaza fans that probably watch this. Big up to the Vendetta fans them as well, because competition is very good and Cartel at the road hard right about now before the year 2017 close out. Let me know what you think about the song Burritos. How much thumbs up you give it out of 5? How much you give? You give this song like a 3 out of 5. I prefer to this, but the song are going pretty good. Let's see if it will grow on me. Comment down below what do you think about this Cartel's Don't Come Back song. If you like it or you hate it, you know, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. Feel free to subscribe and leave a comment as well. If you want to reach out to me on my social media, it is at Dirty Berry Show, at DUTTYBERRY Show, on my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, my Snapchat, all over. And if you want to email me or anything, it is dirtyberryshow@gmail.com. Take care until next time. Oh!